The latest innovations in health and fitness technology are taking center stage this week at the 2018 Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. Industry experts say many of these products have one major thing in common: big data.
This year is very much about personalization. They've always had data about you. It's a big issue, data privacy versus the conveniences in your life. But people are starting to see the benefits of giving up privacy.
Dozens of companies are utilizing data collected from consumers for everything from helping people get better sleep.
We have 3 million nights of data already, so we know a lot about sleep.
To assisting stroke patients with rehabilitation.
Once you put it on, all the motions that you're making with the glove on, it's recognized by the software. It actually is measurable, so instead of saying your husband has been better, now you can say your husband has been making improvement by 20 degrees.
While some products may seem more frivolous, such as an infrared massage bed or a smart scale,
it's so fun.
Other companies bill their products as potentially life-saving.
It's the first wearable blood pressure monitor in the world.
Healthcare companies are teaming up with the tech industry to develop more personalized products.
Dexcom makes a continuous glucose monitor, and we are partnering with them in a program around some of our senior population, where we're using their great technology with the continuous glucose monitor, along with the data that we have at United Healthcare, and working to help our members have better information about their daily glucose levels and their ability to manage their type 2 diabetes.
I call it hyper-personalization of healthcare and or medicine. There are meaningful developments coming out of this industry. There are also some fun gadgets and some fun things that help us stay on track.
Experts predict combining the latest tech with artificial intelligence will help a host of people, from babies to seniors. Krista Fourier, Associated Press, Las Vegas.